In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stay focused with real-time Jira notifications in Microsoft Teams so you never miss important updates while still avoiding unnecessary distractions. If you're working with Jira every day and collaborating with your team in Microsoft Teams, this setup can be a huge productivity boost. You'll get the right notifications at the right time, directly where your team already communicates. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Jira. Make sure you're logged into the Jira account associated with your project. This works for Jira software projects where you're actively managing tasks, issues, or sprints. Once you're inside Jira, navigate to the project where you want to receive notifications from. This is usually the board or project dashboard you work with on a daily basis. Next, look toward the top right or project menu area and click on the More option, which is represented by the three dots. This menu contains additional settings and integrations related to your Jira project. Clicking on the three dots will open a drop-down with several options. From that menu, click on Apps. This is where Jira allows you to extend its functionality by installing marketplace apps and integrations. Apps are what let Jira connect with other tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and more. Once you're on the Apps page, use the search bar and type in Advanced Microsoft Teams Connector for Jira. Take your time to make sure you select the correct app because there are multiple Teams-related integrations available. The Advanced Microsoft Teams Connector for Jira is designed specifically to send real-time Jira updates directly into Microsoft Teams channels and chats. Now click on Advanced Microsoft Teams Connector for Jira from the search results. This will open the app's details page, where you can review its features, permissions, and compatibility. When you're ready, click the Install button. Jira may prompt you to confirm the installation or grant permissions. Review the details carefully, then proceed with the installation. After the app is installed, you can start configuring notifications so they actually help you stay focused instead of overwhelming you. Typically, this connector allows you to choose which events trigger notifications, such as issue creation, status changes, comments, or assignments. You can also decide which Microsoft Teams channel or chat receives these updates. This is key for focus because you can send notifications only to a dedicated project channel instead of cluttering your main chat feed. By setting up real-time Jira notifications in Microsoft Teams, your team stays aligned without constantly switching between tools. You'll see updates as they happen, respond faster, and keep your workflow moving smoothly, all while staying focused on what matters most. And that's it. You've successfully connected Jira with Microsoft Teams using real-time notifications to improve focus and productivity. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.